Well, it's pretty hot out today. I'm saying goodbye to my truck I've owned since I was 16, the D100. .225 slant 6, indestructible. Got the 225 slant 6 in it. Hula Girl. Got this truck since I was 16, but I don't drive it, and it just sits. And it's just time to let it go. It's a short bed, swept line, small rear window. Gonna take for a little cruise. Drive this thing all the time when I was younger. Me and my buddies, we all had old pickup trucks. I had this, my buddy had a C10, old F250. We had this little spot down by the river where we'd take the cars down the rope swing, just be dumb kids. Had little bonfires back there, little parties. I haven't run this thing in about a year, and I think it fires up like a top. Just like a champ. He's got an F250 1970 we got from my great grandpa. He's gonna be pissed I sell this thing, but I'm just too busy with doing my little hobby farm stuff now, and someone's got to enjoy this truck. You can't just sit. Little 3-speed action. price I'm selling it for, though. Some guy and his kid are going to buy it, so hopefully his kid will enjoy it just as much as I did. These old Dodge trucks are kind of hard to come by. $66,000 miles on the thing. There's a potato seller. Just driving on the dirt road. That just shows how much I've been driving it. It was stuck in the ground. Grass is dead. This is one heck of a sharp truck, though.